Greetings and welcome aboard the Heavy Metal Truckers, where we give our thoughts and perspectives on all things heavy, even if you don't like it. We are your hosts. So, in this video, this is kind of like a random pull-up because after Frosty gave his review on Avatar's latest album, he goes, "So this was my introduction," and Doppler and I go, hold the damn phone. Motherfucker, you gotta listen to Hell the Apocalypse. So, Doppler said it cannot be the studio version of Hell the Apocalypse. We have to give him a live video of Hell the Apocalypse for obvious reasons to those of you who are Avatar fans or know how they are. So, this is the live version of Avatar's Hell the Apocalypse. Enjoy. I completely forgot that Johannes drinks from a gas can with his water.
Yep. Yep.
So,
He does.
Frosty, good sir, what did you think? What are your thoughts on Avatar from like a decade ago?
Um, I'm the image that kept popping through my head throughout the entirety of this, while Johannes was having so much fun on stage, was this photo shoot that Pincushion had did at one point with like a clown Joker-ish dark makeup at one point.
Oh, it was for a buddy's
And,
art project or photo project he was doing.
Yep.
Now that I remembered.
And I'm seeing that, but at the same time, I'm also seeing just like I like you from back in the day, just having fun, enjoying, and playing around. Yeah, that's what I was seeing. So I was chuckling to myself the entire time because
Also,
of
the
it.
days in which I had hair.
Yeah, that too. But no, that was actually a lot of fun. It's definitely different than the stuff that I've already listened to from them. Or at least in my opinion, it's different. But no, I mean, that was a lot of fun. I kept chuckling every once in a while because of the images in my head, but also just watching them just joke and laugh on stage while playing the song. Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
So that track became so famous and so well known that it became one of their 2 encore tracks that they've started doing.
That would make sense. I would definitely want that again.
And I had considered showing you the video that there is actually a video out there from the show that we went to. I was considering showing you that because he just went apeshit on stage. It was amazing, but the audio quality wasn't there, in my opinion.
Yeah.
But yeah,
that was a lot of fun.
That was Frosty's discovery of, well, whenever Avatar really hit the scene for us, anyway.
Yeah.
But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, whether musically, lyrically, or literally, keep rolling heavy.